How's it going, everyone? This is Sean from Scale Model Car Guide channel, and today's video is an update on the Blue Ox Model Shop street machine group build. And this will be the first update. Y'all know what I'm building. I'm building this vintage 1970 Johan Oldsmobile 442 hardtop. And before we get this video going, I'd like to thank my subscribers, all my old subscribers, all my new subscribers. If it wasn't for y'all, this little redneck from Arkansas would not have a channel. Thumbs up, thumbs down, whatever makes your world go around, guys. It's free. Subscribing is free. Free. All right, let's move this out of the way. My messy workbench. Oh my God, it's messy. Y'all can see Jason's card. Get over there and subscribe to him. Everybody knows who he is. If you ain't, get over there and subscribe to him. All right, what I've gotten done. I don't know if you're going to be able to see it or not. Dadgum. I might have to take this off this little stand here and get you a good look at it. Move this out of the way. Sorry, guys. Should have done a little bit better job preparing for this crap, but you know, I ain't had time. This is yard mowing season and everything else. I haven't had a whole lot of time to build anything, but you can see right here I got her in paint. That was a Tester's. Oh shoot, I don't have the can. I threw the can away. It's like what was that? Daggum, I forgot, guys. Sorry, I forgot what it was, and I'm about to drop it. This side here, I got a little boo-boo on it. Let's see if it'll focus in here. Right there, you see that? Fingerprint, I tried wet sanding, I tried color sanding, I tried sanding everything, but hopefully, you know, a few more coats of clear coat and some polish on it, maybe it won't be so bad. That dark color, but I didn't have no more paint, so I couldn't strip it back down because this is what color I really wanted it. I'm hoping that it won't be so noticeable once I get some more coats on there and do some more sanding to it. But it is what it is if it does. All right, guys, y'all know old Justin from J Hart Models. He did me some wheels for this. These are 3D printed wheels. These are a 3-piece wheel, 4-piece, I guess, if you count the tires. And those bigs and littles right there, you can see. I've got them painted up. I just got to paint the knockoffs chrome. But let's let you get a kind of an idea of what's going on here. They'll be tucked up underneath there like that. Look at there. That'll be badass. We got the back ones here. Put them up underneath there like that. Here's his disc brakes that he also printed. Those will be behind it. Optima battery. Oops, gosh dang, guys, my camera. There we go. Optima battery that I'll have to paint. And here's the engine. I painted it kind of a light blue metallic. I don't know if it's correct for it, but that's what color I'm going with it. And then, like I said, I'll have to get it all painted and wired and washed. Here's the chassis, not done with it yet. Got the wheel wells painted red. I just got to do the detail underneath that. These are Johan. They're not very detailed. This is an original kit from the 70s because it has metal axles, not the plastic axles. This is the original. Let's see the hood here. And there's the hood. You can see the shine on the hood. After that gets after I chrome full this thing, I'm going to clear coat it, and then I'll probably just do a wax on it or something, you know. That's probably about it. Get it all finished up. Now, the interior I still got to do. I'm going to do like a gray or a black flocking for the carpet. But other than that, it'd be pretty much stock interior. The engine, it'll just have a chrome, well, here it is, little chrome breather set on top of it with the carburetor. I'll paint it gold. You know, we got the brake master cylinder and booster still to paint. This is the original battery, but that's not going in it. So yeah, that's where I'm at, guys. Short and sweet. Please get over there and check everybody out that's in this group build. It's the Street Machines group build put on by the Blue Ox Model Shop. Jason. All right, guys. Bye.